Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmates. We are here to present our topic about the controversies and conflicting views in Philippine history. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself and my co-reporters. My name is Giancarlo Plaza.
My name is CJ P. Haran.
My name is Rona Marie Valientos.
And we are the Group 5. Controversies and conflicting views in Philippine history. Site of the first Mass. On April 1, 1521, originally March 31, the first Mass in the Philippines was happened in Mazawa. So, naitabi good ang site of the first Mass kay sa Mazawa on March 31. The next is Republic Act number 2733. Declared Barangay Magallanes in Limasawa, Southern Leyte as the site of the first Mass. So, according to Republic Act number 2733 nga ilang declared nga sa Barangay Magallanes, Limasawa, Southern Leyte nitabo ang site of the first Mass. The next is Dr. Zonia N. Zaidi presented evidence that the site of the first Mass was not in Limasawa, but in Masao, Butuan, Agusan del Norte. So, nagpresent si Dr. Zonia N. Zaidi og evidence nga dili lagi daw nitabo sa Limasawa ang the site of the first Mass, but in Masao, Butuan, Agusan del Norte. So, by the way, si Dr. Zonia N. Zaidi, she is the first Filipina to attain a Master of Science and Doctor of Philosophy degree for the London School of Economics and Political Science.
The site of the first Mass was first mentioned by Maximilian Consalvanes on his Limasasis in 1523 because he reviewed the survivors of Magellan expedition. So the site of the first Mass, according to Maximilian Consalvanes, siya ang nag-mention sa the first Mass. So in 1523, Maximilian interviewed survivors of Magellan expedition. The survivors mentioned that they landed in Sana, where the first Mass was officiated. So, based sa mga ipang-interview ni Maximilian during the Magellan expedition, ato sila nilandin sa Misana kung asa nitabo ang the first Mass.
Limasawa, the site of first Mass. Carlo Malotes of Rosana Gadari said that Mazua, where Magellan landed before, and Limasawa mentioned the following classifications are the same. So, according to Carlo Amarote nga, usapan nilanding si Magellan sa Mazawa o ang gimension ni Father Francisco Condis na Limasawa ay same ra.
Limasawa was supported by Father Pablo Castells, Dr. Trinidad Esparda de Tavera, Jaime de Vera, and James Robertson. So, sila ang upat ang nag-support sa Limasawa kung asa nitabo ang the first Mass.
Father Francisco Colin wrote a book about the spread of Christianity in the Philippines, but not exact determine the site, but he based in Limasawa claim because of the writings of Antonio Herrera, who based his writings to address San Martin that the site was in Mazawa. So si Father Francisco kung ang nagsuwat sa book about spread of Christianity diri sa Pilipinas, pero why exact determine the site?
4 proposed sites. So, the first is Limasawa, Southern Leyte, officially recognized. Then the second is Butuan, Agusan del Norte, misidentified site. Then the third is Masao, Butuan City, politically close to Mazawa. Then the last is Bulinaw, Pangasinan, earliest in but not widely accepted. So, mao ni sila upat no ang mga ipang propose na site sa mga tao sa una. Ang mo na mga sites nga ilang ipang arguan, nagka-conflict nga diri daw lugar na itabo ang the site of the first Mass in the Philippine history. Pero natablo gud ang the site of the first Mass kay Limasawa sa Leyte no, mao may officially recognized. Then moro to. So that's all and thank you.